Are you a man over 40 staring at a closet full of sneakers yet constantly feeling like nothing quite works? You're far from alone. Many of us reach a point where the styles that defined our 20s simply don't align with who we are today. The truth is, you don't need dozens of pairs. What you actually need are 3 distinct types of sneakers that integrate seamlessly into your life. Get these 3 right and you'll be impeccably styled for every occasion, from relaxed weekend tasks to sophisticated business casual environments and even elegant evening gatherings. True style after 40 isn't about chasing fleeting trends. It's about achieving clarity, understanding what genuinely suits you, and eliminating unnecessary distractions. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact 3 sneaker styles every mature man should own and explain precisely why. You'll discover the 5 essential characteristics that distinguish genuinely sophisticated sneakers from those that inadvertently add years to your appearance. And I'll highlight the common styling blunders men our age commit that can instantly undermine an otherwise excellent ensemble. Furthermore, I'm unveiling the singular sneaker style that effortlessly bridges the gap between casual and formal, a crucial element most men are missing. This game-changing piece is coming up as sneaker number 3. Let's dive into this strategic approach. The real issue isn't a lack of footwear, it's the absence of a cohesive strategy. When you approach your wardrobe through a systems lens rather than focusing on individual items, getting dressed transforms into an effortless experience. Here's how this framework operates. 3 distinct sneaker types, each designed to fulfill a specific role in your diverse life. As we explore them, consider which category might be conspicuously absent from your current collection, as that's often the missing piece hindering your overall style. First, the classic white leather sneaker. If you're only going to invest in one pair of casual sneakers post-40, let this be it. Think of these as the crisp white dress shirt of your footwear, immaculately clean, incredibly versatile, and possessing the power to make any outfit appear more thoughtfully constructed. However, many men stumble here, and it's holding back their look. Not all white sneakers are suitable for men in our demographic. You might browse a store and see 50 options, but a significant portion of them will either make you appear older than your years or give the impression you're trying too hard. So here's what to prioritize. Seek out a minimalistic design with clean, uncluttered lines. Avoid oversized branding or anything that overtly demands attention. Genuine leather construction is absolutely non-negotiable. Forget canvas or mesh. Authentic leather not only looks superior from day one, but also develops a rich patina over time and becomes incredibly comfortable. Opt for a low-profile silhouette, sleek and streamlined, never chunky or bulky. Your sneakers should enhance your outfit, not overshadow it. Now, a crucial tip to prevent looking overly casual. An off-white or cream shade almost invariably works better than stark bright white for men over 40. It's easier to maintain, camouflages minor scuffs more effectively, and has a softer, less jarring appearance. This subtle color shift instantly projects a more refined sophistication without conscious effort. How do you integrate them? This is where their indispensable nature truly shines. Pair them with dark wash jeans and a button-down shirt for an immediate smart casual aesthetic, perfect for casual Fridays or weekend outings. Navy chinos and a polo shirt create an ideal look for running errands or casual lunches. They even complement tailored trousers and a blazer for a contemporary business casual statement. The secret lies in equilibrium, and this principle extends to every sneaker style we'll discuss. Since sneakers inherently lean casual, every other component of your attire must be impeccably sharp. Proper fit, premium fabrics, and classic timeless pieces. This calculated contrast is what cultivates that effortlessly polished appearance. White leather sneakers transcend mere versatility. They convey a message. They signal that you value understated simplicity and precise execution, demonstrating that you don't require flashy garments to look impeccably assembled. Before we proceed, I'm curious, how many of you currently own white leather sneakers? Drop a yes or no in the comments below, as your answer reveals much about your current wardrobe strategy. Second, let's talk about suede sneakers. I can already anticipate your thought. Suede is too high maintenance. Allow me 60 seconds to completely alter your perspective. Yes, suede does require a touch more attention, but here's a critical detail often overlooked. High-quality suede, when treated once with a protective spray, will endure for years. I've personally owned the same pair for 3 years, and they genuinely look even better now than when I first purchased them. And here's precisely why they're such a worthwhile investment. Suede consistently garners more compliments than virtually any other sneaker style. It immediately elevates your look, injecting texture and depth, and subtly communicates that you've invested thought into your presentation without appearing overly fastidious. That's the precise equilibrium we aim for at our age, looking like we care, not like we're striving too hard. For color selection, you have 4 excellent, reliable choices. Beige or sand offers superb versatility, transitioning beautifully from spring through autumn. Olive or sage tones exude a modern sophistication, pairing wonderfully with earth-toned palettes. Gray is a universal harmonizer, complementing nearly everything. And navy, a slightly dressier option, is perfect for a more refined smart casual ensemble. Steer clear of vibrant saturated colors, distressed finishes, or anything overly trendy. Our goal is to construct enduring wardrobes, not to pursue fleeting seasonal fads. When should you reach for suede? Envision an elevated weekend scenario. A Saturday morning coffee with a friend? Suede sneakers, dark jeans, and a linen shirt. A relaxed evening dinner? Suede sneakers, chinos, and a lightweight sweater. Planning travel or day trips? Suede sneakers, comfortable trousers, and a casual blazer. They masterfully occupy that ideal space between looking composed and feeling perfectly relaxed. They project a confidence that allows you to care without feeling the need to overcompensate. At this stage in life, details gain greater significance. Suede demonstrates that you've paid attention to those nuances without needing to broadcast it loudly. This is what truly differentiates mature style from adolescent trends. And that common error isn't about suede. It's about failing to grasp when to introduce that touch of refinement. Which seamlessly brings us to our third category, the one most men completely overlook. Third, the dark leather sneaker. This is the ultimate game changer that eludes most men, and frankly, it's the pivotal piece that harmonizes your entire wardrobe. These sneakers flawlessly bridge the divide between casual and dressy like no other footwear. They possess enough sophistication for upscale dining experiences, offer ample comfort for extended evenings out, and maintain a professional polish for business casual settings where traditional dress shoes might feel excessively formal. Focus on just 3 color options. Black is universally compatible. You absolutely can't go wrong. Dark brown or chocolate offers a warmer, more approachable vibe, pairing exquisitely with blazers. Charcoal provides a contemporary alternative, excellent for modern business casual attire. Here's the critical distinction from white sneakers and the key insight I hinted at earlier. Dark leather sneakers demand a sleeker, more refined silhouette, almost mirroring the proportions of a classic dress shoe. While white sneakers can adopt a more relaxed profile, dark sneakers require that sharp, polished edge. That specific characteristic is what enables them to thrive in more elevated situations. Where do these truly excel? In 3 precise scenarios. For business casual office environments, pair them with tailored chinos and a dress shirt. You'll project professionalism without any hint of stuffiness. For evening events, combine them with dark jeans and a blazer. You'll be perfectly attired without appearing overdressed. For professional lunches where traditional dress shoes feel out of place, you'll remain comfortable while preserving your credibility. Dark leather imparts a subtle authority. It's understated, but people perceive and react differently when confronted with polish rather than flash. You convey composure, not caution. That's the power derived from sartorial restraint. A vital tip most men miss. Your trousers must have a clean hem. Avoid any bunching at the ankle. Dark sneakers achieve their best look when their complete silhouette is visible. Ensure your pants are properly hemmed or execute a neat cuff. This seemingly minor detail makes an enormous impact. One further advantage, You can wear these effortlessly throughout the entire day without needing a wardrobe change. From your morning coffee meeting to evening drinks, this single pair capably handles every transition. So, once you've integrated these 3 core types, here's how to guarantee that every subsequent sneaker purchase genuinely merits a place in your rotation. These 5 rules represent the dividing line between men who project effortless style and those who appear to be merely attempting to keep pace. Master these principles and you'll never again misspend money on an unsuitable pair. First, the silhouette. Prioritize low-top, streamlined profiles with clean lines and absolutely nothing exaggerated. Chunky soles had their moment, and that moment has passed. Avoid high tops unless you're actually playing sports. They tend to visually shorten your legs. Steer clear of anything overly bulky.
Your footwear should complement, not dominate your overall look. Second, materials. At our age, quality speaks volumes. Genuine leather or premium suede not only ages beautifully but also develops distinctive character. Dismiss mesh or athletic synthetic materials. They are simply too sporty. Generally, avoid canvas. It's typically too casual for the smart casual aesthetic we're aiming for. Shun inferior synthetics. They look cheap and lack durability. High-quality materials look better on day 1 and remain superior on day 365. Third, color discipline. This is where many men falter. They acquire sneakers that are only compatible with a single outfit. Commit to neutrals: white, off-white, black, gray, navy, brown, tan, beige, and olive. These are the building blocks of a truly versatile wardrobe. Skip neon shades, bright primary colors, and trendy, fleeting combinations. Our objective is timelessness, not transient seasonal trends. Fourth, minimal branding. After 40, less is unequivocally more. Seek out sneakers with discreet logos, subtle details, and an overall clean design. Logos do not signify success. Your presence and demeanor do. We want people to notice your inherent style and self-assurance, not read the brand name emblazoned across your shoe from across the room. Quiet sophistication consistently triumphs over ostentatious branding. Fifth, versatility. Every pair you own should function in at least 3 different ways. Can you wear them with jeans, with chinos? Can you effortlessly elevate them with a blazer? If a sneaker is a one-trick pony, it simply hasn't earned its place in your collection. We are constructing efficient, highly functional wardrobes, not accumulating single-purpose items. Let me illustrate how these 3 specific types operate in concert, because that's when this entire system truly coalesces. Here's the fundamental takeaway. You don't require a closet overflowing with sneakers. Instead, you need 3 deliberate, strategic choices that genuinely serve your actual life. White leather provides everyday versatility, acting as your foundational piece, making the act of getting dressed effortless. Suede elevates your weekend attire, offering refinement without formality. Dark leather functions as your smart casual bridge, connecting casual and dressy ensembles with absolute confidence. These 3 types collectively address every possible need: weekend errands, business casual office days, elegant evening events, dinner dates, travel, client meetings, everything. And by choosing quality over sheer quantity, you ultimately save money in the long run. 3 impeccably crafted pairs that endure for years will cost you less than repeatedly replacing poorly made, cheap sneakers. Because at this juncture in life, personal style isn't about proving anything to others. It's about mastering yourself, understanding what truly works for you, and allowing your inherent confidence to do all the talking. Now, here's what I'd love to hear from you. Comment right now. Which of these 3 are you currently missing? Are you solid on white, but perhaps lacking the dark leather option? Have you been avoiding suede? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one and I'll offer specific advice. If this discussion helped you perceive style from a fresh perspective, please hit that like button so more men over 40 can avoid wasting money on the wrong footwear. And be sure to subscribe, because we're just getting started on building the smart casual wardrobe that truly aligns with your life. Remember, you don't need more shoes, you need the right shoes. And now you know precisely which ones those are. Thanks for watching.